Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to switch to light mode on Samsung Galaxy S22. Let's begin! As you can see, currently we are in the dark mode, so let's switch that to light. First of all, let's scroll down a little and enter display. Now, you want to simply go into light, and that's basically it. However, we can also go into dark mode settings, and by default you have this disabled. This means that if you set it to light, there will be no way in which this will ever switch to dark mode. However, if you want that functionality, you can always go into dark mode settings and then enable turn on as scheduled. And by default, I believe you have sunset to sunrise. This means that when there is sun outside, when there is sun outside, you have your light mode. However, when there is from sunset to sunrise, and then, well, if there's night, then you have dark mode. It's a very nice feature, but if you don't really like it, you can always go into custom schedule and set it to exact time every day. Anyway, that's all for this video really. If you want to see more, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.